to the lecture number 3 of unit number 4. Today we are going to see one example on power series method. So example is find the series solution of 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x into dy by dx plus 4y is equal to 0. Now can we solve this example by using our previous method? C of pi. Here it is first coefficient is in terms of x and it is not in terms of Cauchy's or Legendre's differential equation. Here x into dy by dx, so this is in terms of Cauchy's, but this previous term is not in the form of Cauchy's or Legendre's. So we have to use here power series method. So first step is assume solution as y is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power k. Now this is the solution. This solution we substitute in given example. So for that we need dy by dx, d2y by dx square. So find out dy by dx, differentiate it. Dy by dx, it is equal to summation. For dy by dx, summation start from k is equal to 1 to infinity. Derivative of x to the power k is k into x to the power k minus 1 and ak remain as it is. And d2y by dx square, it is equal to summation k is equal to, it start from 2, k is equal to 2 to infinity, k multiplied by k minus 1 ak x to the power k minus 2. Now substituting this y dy by dx and d2y by dx square in given differential equation is 1 minus x square multiplied by summation k is equal to 2 to infinity k multiplied by k minus 1 ak x to the power k minus 2 minus x multiplied by dy by dx. So dy by dx is summation k is equal to 1 to infinity k multiplied by ak x to the power k minus 1 plus 4 multiplied by y, which is summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power k, and this is equal to 0. Now simplify this equation. It is 1 minus x square multiplied by, so this becomes summation k is equal to 2 to infinity k is equal to 2 to infinity k multiplied by k minus 1 ak as it is x to the power k minus 2. So this is x to the power k minus 2 multiplied by 1 minus x to the power k minus 2 into x square is x to the power k minus summation k is equal to 1 to infinity k x multiplied by x to the power k minus 1. So k into ak as it is x to the power k plus 4 summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power k, and it is equal to 0. Now separate both the term because it is in different powers. So summation k is equal to 2 to infinity k multiplied by k minus 1 ak x to the power k minus 2 minus summation k is equal to 2 to infinity k multiplied by k minus 1 multiplied by a k x to the power k minus summation k is equal to 1 to infinity k multiplied by ak x to the power k plus 4 times summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power k, and this is equal to 0. Now what we want, next step is try to convert every power of x as same. So here x to the power k, x to the power k, x to the power k. So we try to convert this x to the power k minus 2 in terms of k. So what will be the substitution? Replace k by m plus 2. If we replace k by m plus 2, it become m plus 2 minus 2, which is x to the power m. But remaining k as m only, because remaining terms we want as it is. So that summation becomes summation k by m plus 2. So m plus 2 is equal to 2 to infinity. K is m plus 2 multiplied by m plus 2 minus 1, a of m plus 2 x to the power m plus 2 minus 2. This is only first term. Second term minus summation k is equal to m. In next term we put k is equal to m. So m is equal to 2 to infinity m multiplied by m minus 1 a m x to the power m. Third term is minus summation m is equal to 1 to infinity m is equal to 1 to infinity m multiplied by a m x to the power m plus 4 times summation m is equal to 0 to infinity a m x to the power m. This is equal to 0. So this we get after substituting k, replacing k by m plus 2 and k by m. So this is summation m is equal to 2 to 2. So 2 will get cancelled. In next step we get summation start from m is equal to 0 to infinity m plus 2 multiplied by m plus 2 minus 1 is m plus 1 a m plus 2 x to the power m plus 2 minus 2 is x to the power m minus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity m multiplied by m minus 1 a m x to the power m minus summation m is equal to 1 to infinity m a m x to the power m plus 4 times summation m is equal to 0 to infinity a m x to the power m. This is equal to 0. Now what we want, we convert all the powers x is x to the power m only. So we convert all same powers. Now we are trying to focus over the summation. Summation values must be same, then only we can combine all the terms. So here summation start from m is equal to 0. Here summation start from m is equal to 2. Third summation start from m is equal to 1. And fourth summation start from m is equal to 0. So what we observe here, maximum value of m is here m is equal to 2. So we cannot change this, but we can write this 0 to infinity in terms of 2 to infinity, or 1 to infinity in terms of 2 to infinity, or 0 to infinity in terms of 2 to infinity. So what we will do, we will keep this term as it is and we try to convert this 0 to infinity in terms of 2 to infinity by substituting values of m. So here in first term we have m is equal to 0. So m is equal to 0 means first put m is equal to 0 here. 0 plus 2 is 2 multiplied by 1, m is equal to 0. So a 2 and m is equal to 0. So x to the power 0 is 1 plus. Next m is equal to 1 here. M is equal to 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. M is equal to 1. So this is a3 and m is equal x to the power 1 is x. Next plus. Next we want 2, 3, 4. So 2 to infinity we can write next term. So first term become m is equal to 2 to infinity. Keep remaining terms as it is, m plus 2, m plus 1, am plus 2 into x to the power m. So this is first term only, which start from 0, we convert it into it start from 2. Next term write as it is, minus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity m multiplied by m minus 1 am x to the power m. Third term become start from m is equal to 1 to infinity. So again we convert it into 2 to infinity by substituting m is equal to 1. So minus, put m is equal to 1 here, 1 into a1 m is equal to 1, so x to the power 1 is x, minus summation m is equal to 1 to infinity become 2 to infinity m multiplied by am x to the power m, and last term which is 4 into summation m is equal to 0 to infinity. Again 0 to infinity we convert it into 2 to infinity. So it become plus 4 times. Put m is equal to 0. So it is a0 x to the power 0 is 1 plus m is equal to 1. M is equal to 1. So x to the power a1, 4 times a1 x to the power 1 which is x, plus 4 times summation m is equal to 2 to infinity a m x to the power m equal to 0. Now we combine all the terms. If we observe it, here summation start from 2, second summation also start from 2, third also start from 2, and fourth also start from 2. So we can combine all this summation in one bracket, and we can combine constants also. So this become, so next we obtain, we write constant first, 2a2 plus 6a3 into x plus 4a0 plus 4a1x minus a1x plus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity m plus 2 m plus 1 am plus 2 into x to the power m minus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity. Now we have total 3 terms which is in same power. So x to the power m, so am. So we have taken am x to the power m outside common, and remaining terms are m into m minus 1 plus m minus 4. Now simplify it, it is 2a2 adding constant only. First 2a2 plus 4a0 plus, next is 6a3 plus 4a1 minus a1 become 3a1. We can write directly 3a1 multiplied by x. 3a1 multiplied by x plus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity m plus 2 m plus 1 am plus 2 x to the power m minus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity m into m minus 1 is m square minus m plus m minus 4 multiplied by am x to the power m, it is equal to 0. So this is 2a0. Now equating all the terms, first we write one more step here, which is 2a2 plus 4a0 plus 6a3 plus 3a1 multiplied by x plus, now combine all powers of x to the power m, so it become summation m is equal to 2 to infinity m plus 2 m plus 1 am plus 2, this mm get cancelled, minus m square minus 4 multiplied by am multiplied by x to the power m is equal to 0. Now equating coefficient of x on both sides, constant term first 2a2 plus 4a0, it is equal to 0. Next 6a3 plus 3a1 equal to 0, and third term 2a2 plus 4a1, so a2 is equal to minus of 2 times a0, and 6a3 plus 3a1 is equal to 0 means a3 is equal to minus of a1 by 2. So these are the values of a2 which is in terms of a0 and a3 which is in terms of a1. Now last term which is m plus 2 multiplied by m plus 1 am plus 2 minus m square minus 4 can be written as m minus 2 m plus 2 multiplied by am it is equal to 0. Coefficient of x to the power m equated to 0. Now this is m plus 2, m plus 1, m plus 1, am plus 2 equal to m minus 2, m plus 2, am. So am plus 2, it is equal to m minus m plus 2, m plus 2 on both sides it will get cancelled. Remaining is m minus 2 divided by m plus 1 multiplied by am. Now again check that summation start from m is equal to 2. Means we can substitute first value as 2, 3, 4, 5 and so. So put m is equal to 2. am plus 2, so which is a4, which is equal to 2 minus 2, it is 0. So a4 is equal to 0. Then m is equal to 3. a5, it is equal to 3 minus 1 is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 1 by 4 times a3. a3. So it is equal to, what is the value of a3? a3 and a2 we got. So a2 is equal to minus of 2a0 and a3 is equal to minus of a1 divided by 2. So remember these two terms. a5 is equal to 1 by 4 times a3. So it is equal to 1 by 4 times a3 is minus a1 by 2. So we get minus of a1 by 8. Next m is equal to 4. Means we get a6. It is equal to, a6 is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. Divided by 4 plus 1 is 5 multiplied by a4. a4 is 0. So this value become 0. Then m is equal to 5. So it become a7 equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 plus 1 is 6 divided by a5. Now it is 1 by 2 times a5. a5 is equal to minus a1 by 8. So this is equal to minus of a1 by 16. Now substituting in power series is y is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3 x cube plus a4 x to the power 4 plus a5 x to the power 5 plus a6 x to the power 6 plus a7 x to the power 7 and so on. You can write maximum up to 5 powers. So y is equal to a0 plus a1x as it is. We always get solution in terms of a0 and a1 plus a2. What is the value of a2? It is minus of 2a0 multiplied by x square. a3 is minus of a1 divided by 2 multiplied by x cube plus a4 is 0. a5 is minus of a1 by 8 into x to the power 5. a6 it is 0. a7 it is minus of a1 by 16 multiplied by x to the power 7 plus and so on. So it is equal to, taking a0 common, y is equal to a0 outside 1, then here minus 2x square, then a0 there is no more term, so it is plus and so on. Next plus a1 times, a1 is coefficient x minus x cube divided by 2. Next is minus x to the power 5 by 8 minus x to the power 7 by 16 and so on. So this is second bracket. So this is the final solution. And in first step we have, so in differential equation is 1 minus x square into d2y by dx square minus x into dy by dx plus 4y is equal to 0. So here we are taking all problems which is for ordinary solution of x is equal to 0. So ordinary point for x is equal to 0. So if you observe here p0x, it is equal to 1 minus x square. So p0 of 0, it is equal to 1. That's why we have solved this problem by using this method. Thank you.